going to learn add row. So how we'll add the row in repeaters? Let's start. So here I have a demo page where already data are entered, like Amit, Akhilesh, Avilas, and the contact number. Now we need to create a model window where we can add name and contact number. So first we'll add one icon. So I have taken one icon from here. We'll place here. And we'll give some color. Now we need model window. So we'll create one model window like this, like a previous relation, same way. Add. So now we need text field. With name. So here we can say enter name. And here enter number. So change the font type this. Now we have enter name and enter number. So what next? Next we'll use one button. Here is a small button. So we'll use this and use all. Okay, here we can say add. Same way we can use cancel. Just drag it. Say cancel. So change the color of this button. Cancel with this. And here is a border. I'll make it same. And while hovering, there is the same color. Fine. So now we need to make it as dynamic panel. See again, select all, right click, create dynamic panel, and give a name of dynamic panel, add contacts. Fine. So here what is required? This is we need to give name, add name, and here we have to say add contact number. So clicking on this, what will happen? So we are giving the interaction to add row in repeater. So click on tab. Here is the repeater. So add rows. Select the repeater. Again, click on tab, add rows. select the repeater, and here you will get add row, and here fx and fx. So add row first in name, select add name, give name, and select local variable name. Same way here, add contact number, and select here number. Okay, so here some of the reserved word is there, so here you can add C number. So C number local variable. Okay, and okay, and okay, fine. Now cancel will discard this window. So what is the name? Add contacts. So clicking on this, hide add contacts will come out, and clicking on this, what will happen? It will show add contacts. So we can keep it here, and we'll hide this. Now we'll see enter name, contact number, no way. So it is added. So little modification we can do here. We can give close icon, and we can make it as a light box. So here we click on this, and then here treat as a light box. So preview again, look fine. You can add RAM, add. So one more close icon is required, right? So what we'll do, we'll come here, we'll add close icon. It's a little big, so you can do those cosmetic. So here the same interaction, you just copy this and paste here. So it's done. We'll preview, add enter name, so one more interaction I want to add here, like while clicking add, it should close, or yeah, we can give like this. So here add, and you can give this as a so now just remove this and keep it here, and see, make front change here, and you can preview, add contact name, number, add close